Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to reset VLLO app settings. Right now VLLO does not have a direct reset settings option inside the app, but don't worry, you can still reset it indirectly by following these steps. First, make sure to close the VLLO app completely. If you are using Android, you can just go to the settings, then within it look for apps. There are different apps listed. Make sure to find the VLLO, then tap on it. Within the VLLO you will see different info. From there, choose storage, then tap clear cache. This resets temporary settings and fixes most glitches without deleting your projects, but if the issue still continues, you can just clear the data. Keep in mind that if you reset the app completely, it may remove downloaded assets and local project data. For iPhone users, Apple does not allow clearing cache manually, so the best way is to reset the VLLO settings by deleting and again reinstalling the app. This restores the VLLO to its default setting. Within the home screen, look for the VLLO app icon, then press and hold on it until a menu appears. From here, click on remove app and a confirmation message shows regarding that the deletion. Tap on delete app, while it may again show a confirmation message, so you can just tap on delete and you can see that it is successfully removed from your app. Now go to your app store. Within the search bar, type VLLO and press search. From here, make sure to choose the official VLLO app and tap on the download icon. If needed, please make sure to follow the on-screen instruction. As you can see, the download process is based on the internet stability. After reinstalling, you can simply open the VLLO app through the open button or through your home screen. Now please make sure to allow the required permissions and set up the app again. If you were logged into a VLLO account, you can sign back in and continue editing, and that's how you can reset VLLO app settings and fix most performance or glitch related issues. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.